Hi, Trojans. It's Coach Rogers. I'm here to talk to you about juicing. I do this booth at our Wellness Day every year, and I make 3 different juices when I'm there. With this being remote, it's a little different because here I am at home, and you're not going to be able to taste what I've made, unfortunately, which is kind of a bummer. But let's talk a little bit about juicing and what it is. As you can see, I have this device right back here. It is a juicer. And what you do is you take fruits and vegetables, cut them up on the cutting board here, put a fair amount in there, push this down, turn it on, and then push this down, this plunger down. And that inside of the machine, it chops it up really small, and it takes the juice out of whatever it is that you put in there. And it's thrown all the extra fiber and things back here into this part of the machine, which it collects all of that. I'll show you that here in a minute. And then the juice comes out this end into this little container here. Move up here so you can see that a little better. And this container is special because it has, I don't know if you can see that real well, but there's a separator inside of there. So that as the juice comes in, you can kind of tip it back and get all the foamy stuff back here. And then you just pour it out and you get juice. And I made a whole bunch of it. I made a container right here of it. I'll talk to you about what this is here in a minute. What I wanted to show you, and hopefully you can see this well if I bring it up to the screen, this is an idea of some of the things you can juice. If you look here, I have kale, I have cucumbers and carrots. Granny Smith apples work really, really well, okay? We have various berries. I have strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and I have cherries as well, okay? So really you can juice fruits or vegetables. Now, clearly, it kind of makes sense. When you juice fruits, you're going to get more juice out of it than, say, vegetables. You're going to have to use a lot more vegetables to get vegetable juice, okay? But what I made here, over here, is one of my 3 main recipes that I make every year. This one that I made over here today is called Magma Power Juice. And you can see what's in it. Okay, Granny Smith apples, strawberries, cherries, raspberries, etc. Now the lime water, I actually didn't put any in today. That's just kind of if you want to make extra and kind of thin it out a little bit, you can do that. But what I want to point out to you, kiddos, is look at all the vitamins and minerals that are found in this. It's like a super juice, and it's amazing. You can see all the different vitamins and minerals, okay? Now, this brings me to our code word for this video, okay? My code word is magma, because as you can see, I made magma power juice. Now, some of the other ones I make, if we were in the gym doing this, I make something called liquid lightning, which is my personal favorite. I like it because it's got pineapples in it and some carrots and things like that. It's really good. Wish you could try that. And then I have another one I make to kind of challenge you guys when you're in the gym. This one here is called Coach's Mean Green. And this one actually has kale and carrots and a cucumber. We always have apples in there because it just really gives it a nice flavor. But again, you can see all the vitamins and minerals in those, okay? Now, these recipes are ones that I just kind of made up on my own. So if you decide like, hey, I think I want to do this, I want to try this. When you buy your machine, whatever machine you buy, it typically comes with kind of like a starter recipe book, and that'll get you going. But part of the fun of juicing is kind of making up your own recipes and mixing it up and seeing what works and what tastes great, but is also super, super nutritional for you. And makes you feel great, really powers you up, okay? So this is juicing, and I want you to also be aware that it does, like I said earlier, it does take a fair amount of fruits and especially vegetables to get that much juice, all right? And so you parents out there that are considering this, remember, you'd need to buy fresh vegetables, fruits and vegetables from the store of your choice. But keep in mind, it can get a little bit expensive. You don't want to do this like all the time. It's just kind of a now and again kind of thing, but it's so good for you. It's really great. So I encourage you to do that. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pour me a glass and enjoy it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget my code word that I told you earlier in the video. All right. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.